Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Issue ACCA classes. So in this video, we will be learning about the van benefit. In my previous video, I had been covered about the car benefit and the fuel benefit. In case you have been missed it out to watch, you can still watch it at the playlist available on my YouTube channel. And or the link of the same will be reflected over your screen. You can access the same from there as well. Okay, so let's start the van benefit in this video. Basically, when an employer provide van to the employee, in that case the van benefit will arise. And like in case of the fuel and the car, there was formula, but in the van it will be not, it will simply the fixed amount, and that is 3960 per annum. So if employer also provide the fuel along with the van, in that case additional 757 amount need to be added. Okay, so you need to check it out whether the van is provided without the fuel or with fuel. If with fuel, in that case additional 757 amount will be added on the 3960. If without fuel, only 3960 will be taxable. But if van is not available for the entire year, in that case the benefit will be reduced proportionately. And this is the rule. I mean, it will applicable on all the non-cash benefit. If it is not available for the whole the year, I mean, it will available for the some part of the year. In that case, we need to reduce the benefit proportionately. Okay, but if the van provided by the employer is a zero CO2 emission van, in that case no van benefit will arise, and there is no fuel benefit for the zero emission van as they produce no CO2 emission. Okay, so I hope this is clear. In case of any doubt, do let me know on comment box or on message on Instagram, Facebook, Quora, wherever you feel easy. And I'm here to assist you. In case you are struggling with any concept, do let me know any topic that you want. In case you want to discuss detail, let me to discuss detail. I will be here. And if you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends so that they could also have the benefit. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.